Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying equipment and body. Inspect the blade and fittings to make sure the sword is safe to draw. Once done, set your feet shoulder width, knees soft, and distribute weight slightly forward. You take the grip with the lower hand offering power and the upper hand guiding direction. Make sure your thumbs and first fingers contact lightly. This creates control without tension. Breathe steadily and visualize the initial motion so your first draw feels deliberate and calm. You now transition to the draw and cut. Begin with a seibiki, sliding the scabbard a short distance so the blade clears but remains guided. Once done, combine a smooth wrist arc with a deliberate step and hip rotation to let the weapon flow. Make sure to keep the edge at approximately 30 to 45 degrees relative to the target line so the cut slices rather than smashes. Breathe out on the cut, commit to the motion, and follow through to maintain balance and readiness. You finish by safely returning the blade and assessing condition. Retract the blade with controlled coordination between hands, aligning edge and saya so the blade seats smoothly. Once done, reset your stance and breathing to be ready for the next action. If something feels off, vibration, misalignment, or catching, stop immediately. Make sure to maintain eye contact with edge alignment, re-establish the correct angle, and withdraw pressure rather than forcing. This prevents damage and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.